So, you're looking to start a kids music video channel. Well, you have come to the right place. Now, kids content is the most rewatched content on YouTube. For instance, take a look at this video. It was uploaded 8 months ago and it has over 78 million views. Now, basically that is out of rewatching. Kids watch content over and over and over again. And I know the biggest question in your mind right now is, can you monetize such content? And the simple answer is yes. The truth is, not a lot of ads are placed on kids content, so you have to get a lot of views for you to make a substantial earning from this. But that can be easily solved the fact that kids videos are the most rewatched content on YouTube, meaning that you're likely to get millions upon millions of views depending on the kind of content that you're putting out there. So if you're interested in making this kind of videos, that's what I'm going to show you today. So the first thing, of course, that you need is a lyrics. And for that, you're just going to use ChatGPT. We're just going to ask it to give us ideas of what we can have a lyrics about. So we're just going to ask for zoo animals that children love. And ChatGPT is giving us 5 animals that we can write, we can base our lyrics on. So now that we have the 5 animals, you're just going to ask ChatGPT to write this in musical format for a kid's song. And we're just going to have that written out really well. Now we're just going to copy our song into a Word document, and we're just going to edit out some of these things like the outro, the chorus, because the next AI is not going to differentiate this. It's just going to put it in the song. So we're just going to remove some of these things. Once our lyrics is ready, now we can move on to our first AI tool. And our first AI tool is going to be Suno AI. Once you get here, all you need to do is just hit make a song. And you're going to be able to sign in with either your Google, your Discord, or your Microsoft account. The sign up process is actually really easy. So once you're up here, the next thing that you need to do is just hit create. As you can see, there's an option for you to actually just describe what you want. And this AI is just going to create a song for you. So since we have our own lyrics, we just need to check the custom mode, and we're going to go back to our Word document. We're going to copy our lyrics. So we're just going to accept their terms, and now we're going to paste the lyrics in this box. So we're just going to give the style of the music that we want, and we're also going to give a title. If you're not sure about the style of music, you can just go to ChatGPT and ask for styles of music. And you're also going to give a title. Just going to write zoo animals, and once you're done with that, we're just going to hit create, and Suno AI is going to create our music for us. So let's just listen.
In the zoo where the wild things play, kids are laughing, having fun all day. In the zoo where the wild things play, kids are laughing, having fun all day.
Well, I don't particularly like either of this, so I'm just going to regenerate this. I'm just going to put a different style of music.
In the zoo where the wild things play, kids are laughing, having fun all day. Elephants with trunks so long and grand, lions roaring proudly.
Okay, so now we're just going to hit these 3 dots here, and you're going to hit download, and you're just going to download this as audio. We don't want to download this as video because it's just going to have a static image with the song. So you're just going to do it as an audio, and we'll just go ahead and generate images to create our video. Now the next tool that we're going to be using today is Leonardo AI. Now once you get to this interface, all you need to do is just hit generate image, and you're just going to choose our style as 3D animation style. So as for the prompt, you're just going to put a simple prompt that just basically describes what you want. If you're not sure what to input in the prompt, you can just go to ChatGPT, ask it to write you prompts for image generation. So we're just going to generate our images one by one, and I can see we're getting some pretty nice images over here. So we're just going to do this for all our images. You're just going to generate all our images in this format. So I'll just fast forward. Like basically this is the same process that you're going to generate all your images suite. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. The next tool that we're going to be using today is Runway. So we're just going to sign into our account or just sign up. Next thing you need to do is just upload a file, and we're just going to upload the images that we got from Leonardo AI, and we're just going to animate this one by one. So we're just going to adjust the parameters that we want. We're just putting the I feel like 3 would be a good parameter there, and we're just going to hit generate. We do not want this moving too much. It may just distort some of the features, and I think that's pretty much okay. So we're just going to do this for all our images one by one until we have all the videos that we need for our next step for the compilation. So once we are done with this, you're just going to download each of these videos. Now remember, if you don't want to use Runway, then you can always use Pika Labs. Here all you need to do is also just upload your image, but you're going to describe how you want your image to move. So we're just going to ask ChatGPT to give a description of how each of these animals move in that poem, in that song lyrics. And you're just going to copy that description and you're going to paste it over here. And once you've pasted, you're just going to hit enter. And now we'll just wait for Pika Labs to generate our video. It's not going to take long. So here we have our video. I feel like the image was not really optimized for the video, but basically that's all you need to do. Just give a description of how you want the elements in your videos to move and hit generate. So we're just going, once you have that, you can just hit the download and it's going to go directly to your computer. You can do this with all the other images. Now, once this part is done, all you need now to do is import all your video clips and our song. You can import to whichever video editing app that you want. So we're just going to be using CapCut today. So we're just going to import everything to CapCut. We're not just going to compile this together nicely. So we're just going to take a minute to compile this very first. We are going to adjust the speed. We're going to put a bit of transition so that it looks good, and just make sure like the overall thing blends in together really nicely. So this is coming along really well, and
show. Giraffes with spots that dance in a row. Penguins waddle in their tuxedo flare. Monkeys swinging.
So that looks pretty good. So once you're satisfied, just hit export. And now the video is just going to download to your computer. And there you have your video. Like, it's really that easy. So go ahead and get creative. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.